What if I only traded gold using one system and only took setups that scored 84 out of 100 or higher? That's exactly what I'm about to find out. Starting today, I'm launching a live trading challenge where every trade has to pass through my Neo AI Gold system before I even consider taking it. No gut feelings, no chasing candles, no random entries. If the setup doesn't score at least 84 out of 100, I simply don't trade. The goal isn't to prove every trade wins. The goal is to see whether applying the same rules, the same scoring system, and the same discipline every single time leads to better decision making over time. In this series, you'll see every setup, every score, every trade I take, and the ones I pass on. Today, we're kicking off things by analyzing the upcoming Sunday Gold Futures Open. I'm going to run Sunday's market conditions through the Neo Gold AI system and show you exactly how the score is calculated using higher time frame structure, liquidity session timing, moon phases, Horda, Nakshatras, and every confluence inside my framework. So with that being said, let's hop into the system. All right, so now that we're here inside of the chart, this is the first place that you want to navigate. I'm using the TradingView platform currently right now to give you this report and this information. But you want to start off at the 4-hour chart. What we're going to do is we're going to gather some screenshots of the chart so that we can analyze it using the system. And there's a few other websites that we go to in order to hone in on the timing of our signals whenever we create them. So across this video, you're going to see several different areas where you're going to take screenshots, and like I said, it's only because you're going to use that with my custom signals AI platform in order to pinpoint where you're going to get in on the market. Okay, so now that we have our screen available now, I'd like to take a screenshot. Go to the 1-hour chart. Take a screenshot of that as well. Go to the 30-minute chart. Took a screenshot of that as well. Go to the 15-minute chart. Take a screenshot of that as well. 5-minute chart. And last but not least, we have the We have the 1-minute chart. All right, so that's it for that. Now we're gonna go ahead on over to the see what reports we have for Sunday. Okay. All right, so July, we only have one report that's gonna run tomorrow, but we need to take a screenshot of it because we need to put that in our report. We also need to pull up the moon phase for that day. So it's Gemini. You also want to go to the Nakshatras website that we use, the Horda of the day and the Nakshatra of the day. Now, here's the caveat. Since we're running this on Sunday, here's the thing. On Sunday, market opens at 6 p.m. EST, which is Asian session. So an Asian session, that's, you want to be putting your location on this website in Hong Kong because that's where we start off with Asian session. And then you want to also put the date a day before because their Monday morning is our Sunday evening, our Sunday evening. So this is the Nakshatra. So we're going to take a picture of that. And then we're also going to get the Horda. The Horda is very important as well. Okay, Monday, the Monday's orders. So here is the time frames that we have. I'm gonna take a picture of that. And that's all the screenshots that we currently need right now. So now we're gonna navigate over to our ChatGPT, our system, right? You wanna open up a new chat for every signal that you create. If you haven't started using my Gold Neo AI system, this chat right here is programmed by me and my trading strategies. I have tons of programming in this custom GPT. I'm gonna show you how it works. Now, the link to this is in the description. It's only $17 one time to get to use it, and it's lifetime access. So now you're gonna go navigate to your photos, right? And you're gonna select every image that you just created. So that's 10 images right there, right? And also what you're gonna say is, now normally you wouldn't have to do this for the New York sessions. But since we're doing Asian, I have to do it so I give it a little bit more context. Now, this is how the signal reads. It shows you the Asian session time window, the higher time frame bias. So we're bullish retracement, continuation towards overhead liquidity. The best timing window is 11:36 p.m. to 12:29 a.m. EST. So we'll be looking for around that time to actually enter into the market. It's going to give you the liquidity target, so above price, which is the upside. Liquidity near 4136. So it's giving you all the liquidity levels. But if you scroll all the way down to the bottom, this is what really matters, the score. So the trade score is an 84 out of 100. So it looks like we will be looking at this on Sunday to see if it's something that we're going to take. Now, recently intraday one. So basically, they're saying that it's bullish, and TP3 is set for 4145, possibly. You want to look back at your chart. Look at the gold chart. The 5 minute. Yeah, we had been bullish, but I want to show you guys something. So this indicator that I'm currently using right now that shows me the book maps is called L2 liquidity. And so these are sellers up here right around 4129. And then there's also sellers up here 4131. I definitely, in my opinion, you can play around and try to get that bullish move, or you could just wait till price reaches up there and catch the rejection off of that level up there around 4131. Yeah, but we're definitely super bullish on this 5 minute chart. If price bursts through here, this is the very next level. The next level that I'd be looking for it to reach is around here, 4138. And we got the top up here, 4145. So this is what we're going to be looking at on Sunday. Don't forget, there's a link to my Telegram group as well, where we go over these trades and look at them pretty much daily. You can join the free Telegram group and get involved in that. There's a link there to show you how you can get involved and be inside the community. Other than that, don't hesitate to hop on our next live call. We usually get on New York session around 7:30 a.m. EST, 8 o'clock EST, and we're already scanning the market and doing our thing. I do a lot more analysis when I'm on there. And one key thing I want to give you is that even though you see these zones right here, it's very important to like wait until structure hits key levels before you start to make take positions, right? So you can chase a bullish move, right? It just hit TP1 on that. It's probably gonna do a little pullback, and then it's probably gonna go back up some more. But when you see these structures here, it's very important to be patient. Don't get in the bottom or the top of a trade. So right now, getting in on a buy right now wouldn't yield me a lot of profits. And also, I'm pretty much kind of like at the top of the range for the bullish move. So the best thing to do is to wait for a sell order or a pullback to get into a buy position if we're continuing to be bullish. So you can also see right here, there's a buy box. This green box right here is what we call a buy box. A lot of buyers there. They bought and they really push it up pretty good off that box. So it's pretty strong. I would wait for that to do its thing, and then I would just either get in on a pullback or wait for a sell order once it reacts to any one of these levels, this level here, this level here. And if it breaks past this level right here, I wouldn't mind riding this up to here. That's fine. But more than likely, I'm looking for a reversal trade on Sunday. So that's my analysis. Like I said, again, if you want to join the Mastermind and be a part of the community, we use a lot of AI, but we do use technical analysis and structure, different trading structure in order to help you to understand why you're taking certain trades and why you should stay in or stay out. Now, like I said, the objective of this game is this challenge is to only take trades that are 84 out of 100. So according to what this looks like we're going to be taking this trade on Sunday. So if you want to be a part of that, like I said, again, the link is in the description or in the comment section, or if you're viewing this on my website page, you can scroll all the way to the bottom and take action. So you guys take care, and I'll see you at the top.